Whole companies are getting a complete makeover, inside and out. Automation is popping up everywhere, like it or not, just like mushrooms. They all say it's a whole new era, that it's just getting started. But here's the thing, there's a huge gap between some of the supercharged CEOs at the top, all giddy about these changes, and the folks actually doing the nitty-gritty work. They've got this worried look on their faces, smiles are nowhere to be seen, and it's like they've lost their souls and are just walking zombies. And what's echoing in their minds? AI, that's what. Some folks are throwing a party, calling it progress, while others are digging bunkers, expecting the end of the world, including some CEOs. What was supposed to make our lives easier, give us more fun and less hassle, now feels like it's jumped straight out of an Asimov novel or a James Cameron flick. The future's not knocking on the door anymore, guys. It's already in the living room. I remember watching Terminator and letting my imagination run wild. I thought Skynet would be a story for my grandkids, with me warning them to watch out. They might be the real Sarah and John Connor. But I never ever pictured that I'd be here, still young, divorced, no kids, and penning down a book on how to deal with the jitters AI is causing. Wild, right? Ever tried checking the news every day in our post-COVID world? It's like instant doomsday prepper training. We've got this wacky war, the cost of living shooting up like a rocket, and Mother Earth's having a fit because of all of our shenanigans. And as if that's not enough, now we've got Cylons, straight out of Battlestar Galactica, lined up to snatch away our jobs and our lives. Talk about making a mountain out of a molehill, right?